guys, this is Lara Maluhi with Crown Heritage Homes and welcome to The Monarch. This home was featured in El Paso's 2021 Luxury Parade of Homes, and today we're giving you guys a full home tour of this custom build. Standing at 3,554 square feet, this home features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, plus a bonus room. Now time for the fun part, let's get into the tour. This luxury custom home is 3,554 square feet on about half an acre of land. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage, an outstanding glass-encased wine vault, movie theater, outdoor kitchen area, and a unique U-shaped style floor plan that is every entertainer's dream. On the exterior of the property, the builders incorporated a number of stunning, unique materials, including warm wood-like planks, stone-like tile, and this dramatic architectural structure embellished in a sleek black metal roof covering. So as you come into the property, you have these beautiful painted cement floating steps that gently lead you straight to the home's double-door iron courtyard gates. Immediately, you are enveloped into a private courtyard entrance where we will find porcelain tile, a double-door entrance, and a separate sliding door entrance into the guest suite, which we will get to a little later. So as you enter the property, you are welcomed by these incredible 16-foot high ceilings, this beautiful textured vinyl wall coverings on both sides of the entrance, and a stunning glass-encased wine vault with golden floor-to-ceiling mounted wine racks to die for. Making our way in, we immediately enter into the main living space of the home, where we will find 32 feet of sliding glass doors that reveal stunning views of the home's backyard space. Immediately, you are welcomed by a ton of natural light from both the sliding doors and the accent windows directly above. Right here in the family room, you have this beautiful floor-to-ceiling fireplace design featuring this stunning marble-like polished porcelain tile, which is complemented by these beautiful gray metallic wood-like planks on both sides. Surround sound speakers, high lacquer cabinetry, and a beautiful 60-inch linear gas fireplace help enhance the aura of this space. Making our way into the dining area, we have this beautiful custom-built sideboard that defines the dining space. When you are ready to set the table or to serve your guests, you can easily pull out your fine china cutlery from the stunning piece that features the same beautiful brushed gold handles and luxurious high lacquer European-style cabinets we found in the living room space. Making our way into the kitchen, your attention is immediately drawn to this massive oversized island featuring this beautiful black quartz with white veining and a stunning bold waterfall design. A stainless steel pot filler, luxury Bosch appliances, high lacquer white and black cabinetry, and stunning gold cabinet pulls truly make this chef's kitchen a work of art. From here, we enter into the butler's pantry. In this area, you have a built-in desk featuring the stunning granite with metallic silver specks. The perfect place to plan the amazing dishes you will be serving your guests. As we leave the great room, we enter into the right wing of the home where we will find your owner's suite. Here we have this beautiful gray porcelain tile that defines the space and welcomes you into your private quarters. On the accent wall, we have this unique geometric vinyl wall covering to add some texture and personality to the space. And on the other side of the room, we have this expansive 8x8 foot sliding glass door that lets in a ton of natural light and provides you easy access to your backyard patio. You have these awesome backyard views right from your bedside when you wake up in the morning, not to mention surround sound speakers throughout the owner's suite where you can play your favorite music as you get ready for your day. Transitioning into the owner's bathroom, right as you walk in, you have this beautiful vanity featuring the stunning, shiny porcelain tile, high gloss European cabinetry, and this beautiful quartz countertop with a waterfall edge. The perfect place to get your hair and makeup ready before your big event, or to have a little you time in the morning before you get into work. Moving to the next portion of the bathroom, here you have this beautiful spa-like bath and shower area. The beautiful sliced black pebble flooring pair perfectly with the sleek matte black fixtures found throughout this relaxing space. The builders really wanted to make this bathroom suite your personal tranquil retreat. Here in this freestanding soaking tub, you can enjoy your bath bombs here with a nice little glass of wine. Or you can jump into the shower where you have both a wall-mounted shower faucet and a ceiling-mounted rainfall shower head to add to the tranquility of the space. This bathroom also features this beautiful quartz with gray veining over the his and her sinks. An oversized floating mirror and this beautiful window over the tub spa space adds to the opulence and the expansiveness of this room. And actually, this window overlooks the private outdoor shower area, which we will get to in a bit. And lastly, in the owner's suite, we have this expansive walk-in closet space with custom built-in cabinetry. The perfect place to select your outfit for your big office meeting or for your date night out on the town. From the master suite, we can transition into the backyard space of the home. Right here as we exit, we have this expansive outdoor patio with surround sound speakers. Perfect for playing your favorite summer playlists as you entertain. On the left side of the patio, we have this beautiful outdoor kitchen area with a full-size charbroil grill, a stainless steel coyote hood, a built-in beverage cooler, a sturdy granite countertop, and even a little veggie sink to prepare your delicious summer meals for your guests. As we transition to the right side of the patio, we have this beautiful iron gate door that leads right into your private outdoor shower area. Here we have this simple yet beautiful landscaping design and these sleek matte black light fixtures so that you can even use this shower after the sun sets. Perfect for rinsing off after a hot summer's day. And lastly, we will transition into the final portion of the home, which is the home's left wing. Right here off of the great room, we have this beautifully designed powder room. This bathroom is easily accessible from the entertainment space and is sure to wow your guests. Here you have this custom-built natural marble countertop with this stunning waterfall edge. To add to the galore of the room, the design team incorporated this chic dark gray monochromatic tile design with a polished and matte finish. Something simple yet so unique that makes a statement throughout the powder room without taking the attention away from the other standout features in this space. Off of the powder room, you have your functional and spacious mother-in-law quarters or guest suite. This suite features an ensuite bathroom with custom features designed to make this bathroom space feel tranquil and relaxed. Here in the bedroom space, you have your own personal kitchenette area. The perfect place to whip up your favorite cocktail, pour the perfect glass of wine, or make some popcorn for your at-home movie nights. As you can see, in addition to a guest suite, this room also perfectly serves as an at-home office space. The builders incorporate this private sliding glass door entrance so that you can have easy access in and out of the home, can easily take advantage of the private courtyard space to take in some fresh air or to read your favorite novel, and so that your guests can easily access your office space from the entrance without disturbing the rest of the home. Right off of the mother-in-law quarters, we have the laundry room. Here you have this convenient, expansive linen closet, built-in overhead cabinetry, a beautiful quartz countertop, and an overhead rod to hang your clothes to dry. As you can see in the left wing hallway, you have this expansive hallway space with these rectangular skylights that let in a ton of natural light as you enter into the third and fourth bedrooms of the home. Both bedrooms come equipped with recessed lights, beautiful contemporary remote operated ceiling fans, double door closets, built-in window treatments, and the same porcelain tile we found throughout the rest of the home. In between the bedrooms, we have the hall bath. Here you have this expansive mirror that completely takes up the entire width of the wall to open up the space, a sleek modern light fixture, and this beautiful tub and shower design. And lastly, in the final area of your home, we have the home theater. The perfect place to watch the latest rom-com with your friends or to have your family movie nights. On the back wall, you have this unique wood-like plank design to add some character to the room. And on the left side wall, you have this beautiful textured vinyl wall covering that perfectly complements these sleek contemporary light fixtures that truly give this room an authentic cinema feel. And of course, in the space, you have another sliding door to the outdoor patio. Whether it's watching the big game or the kids watching their favorite Disney movie, this room is easily accessible from your backyard so that you can even take advantage of the space when you are entertaining. We hope you guys enjoyed this luxury home tour. It was an honor to be a part of this year's Parade of Homes, and we want to thank you guys for all of your support and the amazing turnout. Stay tuned for more luxury home tours to come. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.